Well, hi there, folks, and welcome to this Workspace Wednesday with Lean Strategies International LLC, where we're continuing our series on functions. And this week, whether you're an engineer, a supply chain manager, or operations, if you finished up the other modules, this one will be on choosing columns. So you can see right behind me here, we have a data set, and the data set includes all of our students' grades from the last quarter. But what we want to do is look at some specific ones. So one function that Google Sheets has that makes this easy, rather than filtering and sorting through, is the choose columns function. The way that we do that is we select the cell that we want to make a copy of our data set in, and we're going to enter our function. Now, as a reminder, all of our functions start with the equal sign. So we'll start with that, and we'll type in choose. And then column, and you'll see that it'll be spelled a little bit differently, so pay attention to that, and hit your open bracket. And then we're going to select our array of data, which you see that right here. We're going to start at A1, go all the way down to G8, and then we're going to hit a comma. Now what you want to do is you want to put column numbers in, the ones that you want to make a copy of. So you'll see these are columns right here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, but you don't want to put the letter in, you want to put a number. So we want to see column 1 because that has all our names. We want to see 3 for language arts, and let's say we want to get PE also, which is column 5. And we want to see choir, which would be column 7. And then we'll close that off, hit enter. And you'll see that it'll give us our grades right here with a copy of it. Now let's try it one more time. So we'll hit the equal sign, choose column, open bracket. We're going to select the array, but this time we're going to use the one that we already selected and see what happens. So we're going to go A10 to D17. And we want to see column 1, 2, and that's it. We're going to close that out, and you'll see that it'll pull our student name and their language arts grade. So pretty cool function that you can use inside of Google Sheets to select specific columns in their data set, and try it out. And we'll see you back here next time on Lean Strategies International LLC.